Good morning everybody, this is Marcello Bugnoli speaking from Quantirica and USpeed staff. In this video I would like to show you how to manage your orders from within the vertical order book of the ScalTool trading and scalping platform. First of all, you have to select your trading quantity. Let's say we want to use one lot. To place an order, just select the price you want to place the limit, let's say 1268, left click with your mouse and your order is on the market. You see your order as one lot at 1268 limit price. If you want to move your order, you have two ways to do that. The standard way is to drag and drop your order, just left click on the order and drag and drop to the new price. The second step, or the second way to move the order, is just use the left mouse button and select the new price you want to trade. Let's say 1269, left click, 1268, left click, 1269.5, left click. How to cancel the order? Right click. Okay, to view this video reviewing additional platform features, visit the support section of our website at www.uspeed.com, www.tickscalping.com. Thank you for joining us.